A fire or explosion can have serious consequences at a fireworks manufacturing plant, warehouse, display site, or if a vehicle transporting fireworks is involved in an accident. Therefore, it is very important that all employees are trained on the appropriate emergency action they should take in the event of an incident. Each fireworks facility must have an emergency action and evacuation plan. Detailed information and instruction needs to be implemented for all employees and local emergency responders. Emergency procedures must also be developed and communicated to all drivers transporting any fireworks products. In the event of any fire or explosion at a fireworks handling facility or display site, employees are instructed to immediately evacuate the site. Never attempt to fight a fire that has reached buildings used for manufacturing or storage. Even employees of companies who do not manufacture fireworks need to be aware of this, because drivers or other employees sometimes travel to manufacturing sites and other display companies to pick up merchandise or conduct other business. Consumer or 1.4G fireworks contain limited amounts of powder per item, and a fire involving sealed shipping cartons of consumer fireworks will burn for an extended time as the fire spreads through the unburned cartons. Individual items will ignite and burn, and the fire may get quite intense, but large-scale testing by the government and fireworks industry has shown there should not be a mass explosion. In the event of a fire in a building, warehouse, or vehicle containing only 1.4G consumer fireworks, all employees must retreat to a safe distance, and the fire service should be called. Efforts should be directed primarily at preventing the spread of the fire, although a fire involving only consumer fireworks can normally be extinguished by water deluge, if necessary for safety. People should stay upwind from the fire if possible, and should avoid breathing the smoke from a fireworks fire. All unnecessary people must be kept away from the fire area. A fire involving display fireworks is very serious and does pose a risk of a mass explosion. The area must be immediately evacuated if a fire breaks out. Do not attempt to fight the fire, and do not wait to see what happens. Employees will be instructed in what the company's emergency signal is. If that signal ever sounds, evacuate immediately and go to the designated meeting area outside the plant warehouse area. Once safely away, dial 911 if fire and rescue personnel are not already responding to the incident.